What's going on, everybody? Mr. Harris coming at you with more math jewels. First of all, I want to tell you happy St. Patty's Day, shamrocks and shower shoes and all that good stuff. It's really not warm enough outside for shower shoes because for some reason the weather is going crazy once the spring started. But anyway, let's get right into it. Today we're still talking about the topic of statistics, and one form of graphical display of data that we haven't covered yet is the histogram. No, I didn't say Instagram, children. The histogram. Okay, well, the histogram is very similar to a bar graph. Well, forget all the explanation. Let's get right into it. So I have 22 numbers in my data set, 22 elements in my data set. And what I want to do first of all is I want to break them down and put them on a frequency table. Now, a frequency table takes the numbers and it breaks them down into intervals. Okay, so here I have 6 different intervals, and each interval is are in increments of 20. So I'm going to place them here. So first of all, I want to look at my data set, and I don't have any numbers between 1 and 20, so I don't have to put any tally marks here. But between 21 and 40, I have, let's see, 39, so that's 1. I have 33, I have 31, and I have, there should be one more, 39, 33, 31, and actually 32. Sorry about that. So I have 4 numbers in between the interval of 21 and 40. When I look at the interview of 41 through 60, I'm going to have 40, 50, 42, 45, 49, 55, 51, and that's it. So I have 6 numbers in the interval from 41 through 60. Then the next interval, 61 through 80, I have 68, 67, 62, 64, 61, 64, and 75. 7 numbers in that interval. 81 through 100, I have 82, and there should be one more, 96. All right, and then the last interval, I have 119, 111, and 117. So I have 3 numbers in that interval. Now, first of all, you want to count up your tally marks and make sure that your tally marks is equal to the amount of elements in your data set. So I should have 22 tally marks. So 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, plus 5 is 22. So I have my tally marks. So this is our frequency table, okay? Now we're going to take the frequency table and we're going to make the same intervals. They're going to go across our x-axis on our graph. So this first interval, 1 through 20, then 21 through 40, 41 through 60, 61 through 80, 81 through 100, and then 101 through 120. Okay, so I have my different intervals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph these now. And let's get a little color going here. So here we have, for the interval 1 through 20, we have 0. So there's nothing to put here. The interval 21 through 40, I have 4. Okay, so let's try our best to do this. So alright, and we can kind of color that in a little bit. Alright, so that's our interval 21 through 40. The next interval, 41 through 60, there's 6 units. So let's use a different color. So here, alright, so we have that interval right there. 61 through 80, we have 7 units. So let's go blue this time. All right. Let's go red now. 81 through 100, we have 2 units. So all right, and then the last interval, 101 through 120, we have 3. Let's go ahead and go black. And we have 3 numbers in that particular interval. So let's go across here. So, all right, so now, here's our histogram. As you can see, the different intervals, we show however many, whatever the frequency was of the numbers in the data set that fit that particular interval. And there you have it. You've got your histogram, not Instagram. Once again, Young Guru's Math Tutoring. I got the solution to your math problems.